If your toilet is loose and it smells like sewer and you keep tightening the nut and it's still moving, this is the reason. It's going to be because the flange, like this one right here, is broken and it's not going to tie anymore. The other side is still good, but if one side is not good, to fix it you need one of these things: toilet flange repair ring. There is a full one like this one. You can find them in Lowe's or whatever hardware you store hardware you can find. There's like a half like this one, two halves, or a full like this one. You're gonna put this one right here, same like the other one. This is metal, and the other one it's plastic. And then you're gonna put some screws right here. Screw, 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 screw. And then you can put the wax ring again. You can get you're gonna need a wax ring, and you're gonna need new toilet bolts like these ones. This is how to tie the bolt to the floor. Okay, and then you're gonna need a drill. And if your flange is really hard, you're gonna have to put it with braid drills or some holes over there. And once you get that done, you just put the toilet seat back again, and it's good to go. But yeah, that's the problem. You're gonna see right here, whenever you flush, you're gonna see water leaking outside, and that means your flange is broken. So that's an easy way to repair if you don't wanna like remove the whole thing and call the plumber. Okay, that should last, I don't know what, 5-6 years. That's good enough for me. Okay, let me put the screws and I'll come back, because I cannot hold the phone myself. I have nobody here to help me. Okay, I already put the metal ring. I pre-drill the holes right here, 1 2 3 4. The other ones I don't need. This is like a really hard now. I already put the screws that's going to hold the toilet. Now I'm just going to put the wax ring. I'm going to sit the toilet here and screw the thing, put the plastic covers. That's it, and that should do it. And then once you put the seat, the toilet, just go around and put some kind of caulking, and ready to go. Okay, I need subscribers, please. So if you like this video, if I help you in any way, please subscribe.